Hi, I'm Matt from H20 Valeting Services and I've been detailing cars since 2005. I've used many a ceramic glaze over the years, but I have to say that ceramic glaze by Diamondbrite is by far one of the best I've used. Its ease of use is very, very good. It's literally spray on and wipe off. It's just as simple as that. One of its advantages is that this time of year it's incredibly cold outside, and this can be used down to -5 degrees. You can cover an entire car in a matter of minutes. It's so simple to use. If used in conjunction with Seal and Shine by Diamondbrite, you can get up to 6 months durability out of it, which is incredibly durable for this type of product. Again, this product is a very simple product to use. Literally wipe on, let it dry to haze and then buff off. The level of gloss of this is very, very good. Such a deep shine from such a simple product. It actually rivals some of the harder paste waxes that are on the market. Both of these products help keep your car cleaner for longer. Having treated the car with these makes future cleans a doddle. The ceramic glaze is so easy to apply that I would actually recommend using it after every wash. It's as simple as that.